Mark, what have you got here?
Alex, we have some octopus pizza. We have salmon croquettes, and we have a pepper and cheese croquettes.
Salmon don't have balls like that.
But they do over here. That's why we travel, Carl. That's why we come to.
That's why we travel.
That's why we come to places like this, Carl, to experience different salmon.
Bravo. And we're waiting for the calamari.
We are, and we're not sure whether calamari is going to have balls or not. What do you think, Carl?
The balls eating it.
All right.
That's Melia.
Is it?
It's like a sort of
Melia.
calamari type
Yeah,
fish and
Melia.
chips.
We still say they appreciate it, whatever it is. It's the same in Thailand.
How was it, Mark?
It was okay. I prefer my recipe of calamari actually. And I was a bit concerned about the baby calamari because they were, they looked a little bit small to be. What do you call thing?
I think you're the same as the king that slaughtered all the babies when Jesus was born. Slaughtering babies for his own gain. King Herod, yes. King Herod.
People often say that.
Sat
Actually,
there.
Carl. People often say that I've got a striking resemblance to King Herod.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not so sure. I've only got a little bit more hair just at the back there,
Right.
just like a little ridge, just like a little, yeah, a bit
What
like
his crown set on?
bit of a Mohican style. But mine's a bit more natural.
And that was our amazing insight into GePagi.